What is up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Make sure to subscribe because we are making these every Monday, Thursday, and Tuesday. My editor is working 140-hour weeks. Yeah, I'm committing tax fraud. And with that said, let's get into the tutorial.
Alright. How to hit one... Shoot. Stones... Move over. Get over there. Why did I do that? Okay. How to hit two birds with one stone. So there's three methods. The first method, I like to call it the Billy method. You'll see why later. It does require pinpoint accuracy, crazy speeds, and perfect positioning. And that's why it's usually only performed in controlled environments with trained birds. Now for the second method, basically what you do is you throw the stone and then you pick it back up and throw it at a different bird. Now this is technically allowed, and it's also the most reliable method. Now the third method has been a source of controversy in the community, and it's actually banned from most tournaments. So this method, it's a trebuchet. It's just a trebuchet. Some might argue that stretches the definition of stone a little bit. And to them I say boulders are just big stones. And the dictionary agrees with me.